Hey there guys, this is Minecraft Boss here, and today we're going to be doing some Minecraft PE survival. This episode, Enchanting. So what we're gonna do is grab some of that obsidian we got from when we mined all of down here, that entire thing around the entire world. Don't want to place that. When we mined around the entire world. And grab some of the diamonds we got from when we mined around the entire world. And grab some of the lapis we got from when we mined around the entire world. And grab some of the paper that I got from my sugarcane farm, which is over here. As you can see. Right down there. And grab some of the leather I got when I was killing the cows, and make a book, and then an enchantment table. Gonna place that right here. Now let's grab everything that we have, all the important stuff, mainly our diamond stuff, and let's enchant it. So that's yeah, I got just enough. Okay, let's enchant these. So I have 13 levels, which is enough for 2 levels on everything, except for I'm not going to put 2 levels on my shovel. So, protection 1, aqua affinity 1. Okay. Protection 1, aqua affinity 1, projectile protection. I think I'm going to have to go with protection 1. What did we get? We got protection 1. That's awesome. Okay, let's put the rest of these in. Let's enchant them all at one time and then see what we get. Protection 1. Okay, yeah. Protection 1. Okay. Projectile. Okay. No. Take it out. Back in. Out. Let me grab these. Yeah, let's get that. And boots. Feather falling, I think I want feather falling. There we go. Okay, let's do our sword. Oh, that's horrible. Efficiency 1. And no. I don't care about spiders. I guess I'll put in our shovel. You know what? Sharpness 1 is 8 levels and 3 lapis. So, can we get one more level? Also, let me see what these all are. Protection. Okay, so we got everything we needed from that. Let's grab 3. Good. Let's see if we can get a little bit of experience. Let's kill that horse. Good experience? No experience from that. Okay. This horse. Okay, do you not get experience from horses and stuff? Okay, what other things do we have in our farm? Whoa. That's why we need projectile protection. We can get some experience by killing this guy, by the way. There we go. It's still not level 8. There's gotta be something else. seriously cannot find anything. Where else can we get some experience? You, die, please, give us experience. Thank you, we got something from that, actually. So apparently you can, you just don't get much. Okay, got that. Oh, is that a cow? Nope, that's just vines. Okay. Is there anything in our farm, or did we kill both of them? No, we never killed them. There we go. 8 levels. Okay. Let me... Actually, yeah. 8 levels. Okay. First off, let me enchant my sword. Sharpness 1, please. Sharpness 1. Okay, let's put all these away. We don't really need to enchant our shovel because we aren't going to need it for much. Okay, and then, we also should experiment with the Anvil, if you may know what that is. We need to create 1, 2, 3, I believe. 1 Anvil coming up. Wait, I can't actually get to the... Crap, can I get to the furnace? Yeah, I can get to the furnace. Okay, let me grab a pickaxe. Okay, actually, let's place it there. And grab diamonds. We need some diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wait, we have 5 levels? How do we get that from... Wait, seriously, how do we get that? I don't know. Okay. Let's repair these. Okay. 1. And now, let's put all these away and grab our sword. I want to rename it. Oh, well, no. In here. Let's name it Slayer of Diamond. Slayer? Slayer. Slayer. No. Destroy. Tibos. Yep, Tibos. That's what it's gonna be. I now hold Tebos. I am now accomplished in life. Okay, let's put these diamonds away. And now, we got full enchanted diamond gear, except for, we don't have an axe or a hoe, and our shovel's not enchanted. We have we have full enchanted diamond armor, an enchanted diamond sword, an enchanted diamond pickaxe, a diamond, diamond shovel, and since I went mining, I did a little extra mining last episode, we can make, a hoe and an axe, if we just grab a couple more blocks of wood. Okay, hoe and axe. Put the rest of these sticks away. Good, and then put away these. Okay, there we go. So, we enchanted, and we, anviled. So, yeah. That's pretty much all we really did this episode. We just kind of experimented with new enchantment. I know I'm saying new. It's been around for a while, but I've actually never enchanted with the since the lapis had been added to Minecraft PE for enchanting. So I've actually never enchanted since then. Yeah, I know, pretty surprising. And I never used an anvil. The last time I used an anvil was when I made the Area 51 map, and I did that to change the name of the sword to dagger. And before that, I don't even know, from some type of an adventure map or something that I was playing, where it said I had to change the name of a couple items and fix them and stuff like that, but whatever. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If so, leave a like, maybe even subscribe, and goodbye.